What's up guys, it's me Omar, and today I have a product I'm going to show you that was sent to me free for review from 3W Autolife, and this is their all-weather custom floor mats for the Toyota 4Runner. So this will work for 4Runners from 2013 to 2024. I'm going to show you this in a 2023 4Runner, but these are really nice 3D scan cut floor mats that are really precise. They're made of really great material. So I'm going to show you how they come in the box. I'll show you how they install and what they look like inside the vehicle, and just kind of talk to you about my experience while using these floor mats. So let's get to the video. Okay, so now let's do a quick unboxing of the mats from the box. So this is the actual box that the mats come in. As you can see, these mats are pretty much, they go in here normal size because that's about the size of the box. This piece right here is folded in half. So even though it's folded in half, all you have to do is take it out of the box, let it sit out for just like an hour or two, and it straightens itself out. There's no creases or anything that are left inside the mat when it's pulled out. But as you can see, these mats look really high quality. The finish of these is really nice. They're very thick. These are very thick and durable mats. They're dual layer, and they're made of TPE material, so it's not necessarily rubber. There's no odor. They don't smell at all. So these sit inside your car in the heat. It's not going to give off like a weird odor or smell. These have been in my office for a few days now, and they haven't had any smell or any kind of scent to them. So that part of it is very good. They do look very good, high quality. It has a really nice smooth finish. Sometimes rubber mats have like a gummy, I wouldn't know if sticky or tacky is maybe the right word to describe what it sometimes feels like. These feel very soft and smooth. They have a very matte finish to them. So stuff isn't going to stick to them, the gunk and the dust and stuff, I don't feel like it's going to stick to them. And even if it does, since these are all weather, you can pull these out and you can rinse them off with a water hose, and it should clean them off really easily, whether it's mud or dirt or sand or anything like that, snow, whatever. These are going to do a good job of holding up and doing a good job of cleaning up really well. So now I'll go ahead and show you what it looks like and putting them inside the vehicle, and show you how precisely cut they are to fit the 2023 4Runner that we have to use with these mats. Alright, so now let's put in the mat in the vehicle. And as you can see, it does work with the clips that come with the vehicle, so that it does have the spot that you can just rotate that, lock it in place. And there you go, it's perfectly in place. Nice 3D scan cuts right here, so everything matches up perfectly with the edge. It goes up a little bit off the edge right there, so if you were to spill some liquid or fluid in here, I think it would pool inside here pretty well, and you could still wipe it up. But it has rugged edges, and it all goes all the way behind the pedals as well, so it completely covers even the back section right there. So really nice quality, really good precise cut and fit. Let's check out the passenger side. All right, so now we have the passenger side. So we can slip this in. And so also we still have the clips in here as well, and they do lock into place. Everything lines up really well, and you can see all the edges are perfect. Perfect 3D scan, making sure that there's no, even if you drop fluids or liquid in here, you probably will pull it up and you'll be able to wipe it off really easily before it gets on any of the fabric. So a really nice tight fit. All right, so now let's put the back mat in place. So we've pushed the seats all the way to the front, pop it in, and there you go. A perfect matchup. All the edges, perfectly 3D scanned to cut. It even has a little bit of depth as well, so just like in the front, if you were to spill any kind of fluids or liquids, we can probably demonstrate that in just a sec to show you how it would puddle up in here and it doesn't go on the carpets and all. So let me give you some close-ups of this. So as you can see here, the edges are super nice and high. So even if you were to drop a liquid in the back, like if you have kids in the back and they have a soda, you know what, let's do a little quick test. Let's drop some water and see how it puddles up in here. So there you go. It falls into the channels. Let's do that one more time with the water. So we're gonna pour it in there. You can see how it kind of just bubbles up. It doesn't go over the edges right here. It stays in place and it falls in the little track. And it beads up as well, so this makes it really easy to just wipe up. And if it's really sticky, like soda or something like that, you could pull the mats out and you could spray it down with a water hose, and these mats would probably clean up really well, really nice. So those are my thoughts on this product from 3W Autolife, and just so you guys are aware, they are currently running a Prime Day sale right now where they're having big discounts on all sorts of floor mats for different vehicles on their website. So if you want to check that out, check the link in the description below, and make sure that you also use my promo code so you guys can get some really good discounts and deals on floor mats if you're looking for one for your vehicle. So that's it for me today, and I'll see you guys in the next video review.